Hi guys, welcome to my channel Karma Verma Readings. Uh, Today I'll be picking up your person's feelings from my channel messages, and like through tarot we'll just figure out a quick energy check how are they feeling, and we can just see that what is the future, and what do they think about you currently. Yeah, let's get started. The bottom deck energy, we'll discuss that later. Keep your thoughts positive is also the message which I've got. Okay. Okay. With the page of pentacles here, do see a new beginning coming. They're going to offer you a small friendship, a small start in the whole process of the situation which you guys have. They might even give you a gift, but they want to like put some efforts in the connection. With the three of wands here, there's also the energy of waiting. They're waiting for something to come into completion, some alignment. They're waiting for their things to get completed, and if they complete and then it comes to them, they can step ahead and do something else in life. Like checklist, one thing at a time. I saw 222 on the clock, could be significant for some. Again, keep your thoughts positive. Of the two of pentacles, yeah, with the three of wands, yeah, there's some energy of balancing things out, and they're juggling maybe work life and their personal life, and they're trying to balance things out in professionally, personally, as well as other things are there, right? There's family, there are friends, so there are things to be which are need to be balanced, and they're trying to balance things out, and they're juggling basically. With the eight of wands here, there's an energy of being a little decisive, and yeah, it's just a very defensive energy. They are maybe they haven't told you how they feel. uh, there's a lot of pentacles here, so a person could be earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, wands, Leo, Sagittarius, and uh, Leo, Sagittarius, and which one is it? Aries. And with the judgment card here, there's something delay from God. You might be praying, even they might be praying for some things to for their dreams to fulfill. There's some energy of fulfilling dreams from both of your sides, and one of you is praying a lot about a new project, or about the career wise, yeah, with the money and everything. And with the ten of pentacles here, yeah, they do see a future with you, but they are not telling you right now. But there will be transformation with the death card here. There's some new beginning which going to start in the Scorpio season probably, because we have even Scorpio here. And with the full energy in the reverse, they do want to take like a leap of faith and start new things with new beginnings, because even the death card and the fool card, they both represents new beginnings, and going on a journey. Fool card, with the fool card reverse, they want to, but right now they are stuck, but they will in the future. Yeah, and with the judgment card, yeah, some god delay as well. So be patient. There's a need of patience. You need to be patient in this journey. And with the Nine of Pentacles, you need to, maybe some of you need to work on your abundance and create your own life of luxury, because Nine of Pentacles is a very independent, self-sufficient, very self-occupied, with everything materialistically fulfilled completely. So with the bottom deck energy of the Nine of Pentacles, you need to work on your independence and have a sense of self-reliability. Be your own. Be your own lover, because it's a very happy card, Nine of Pentacles. But yeah, the Ten of Pentacles, there's this energy of they want to start a family with you. There is Ten of Pentacles, which is a very beautiful card. They want to start a family with you. They want kids. They want you both to be abundantly happy in the marriage or the relationship, or the whole uh, like the boyfriend girlfriend thing or the fiance thing kind of energy. Yeah, thanks. That's all I have for you for the tarot. And let's see what messages do they have for you. Number nine could be significant. This so September could be the month of your abundance and working on your money. Yeah, it's a message for some. And yeah, do keep some strength in this connection. I know it's trying your patience, but yeah, where there is will, there is a way, right? Let's see what messages do they have to give you. Angels, guardian angels, or spirit guides. What do they need to know? Angels, guardian angels. What do they need to know? Yeah. I'll take these out intuitively. Yeah. Let's start. I'll arrange them. I'll keep reading. I've been taking you for granted. I'm sorry. Now I finally feel the consequences of my actions. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you again and make things right between us. I'm feeling so sad and down without you in my life. You really care. You really are and were the sunshine and always made me smile. I was selfish, immature, and only looking out for my best interest. I treated you unfairly. I'm so sorry. You didn't deserve that. We will we will come back together when the time is right. You still hold the key to my heart. I'm ignoring you because I just can't open up to you. You've affected my life significantly. So these messages, they might resonate and might not resonate. So see how it connects with you, right? Believe in us. I still love you. I still love you so much. I took you for granted and I regret that now. Yeah, some of you they might have not treated you right, but it's okay. Just forgive them. You make me wanna come. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's It's like there's some passion coming. Love is the answer. So always, talk to them with love. And I was afraid that you would reject me if I shared my true feelings for you. I'm running and hiding because I just can't handle the truth right now. So some of you all have, they might have told you like bye, goodbye kind of things, and they're saying goodbye, but it was the only thing to do that felt right at that time, and it was the hardest thing for them to do. It's all in your heart. Your heart knows the answer. Would you give me the chance to make things right between us? Bottom deck energy is fearful. Like I pushed you away because I was scared of this love. Yeah, they might have got overwhelmed with this love. They might have not felt this with anybody. Yeah, with the Nine of Pentacles, they were maybe very like the player energy. They just were like, yeah, let them come. So it might be a runner chaser. So you might have took yours. You might have like walked away from this for now. So you know that like just wait for them if you want to or you don't want to. But they are like processing all these emotions which are coming on the surface. Is the message which they're trying to their higher self is telling you. And if you really love them, you can be you can um, if they come back to you, you can give them a chance. But yeah, always work on yourself is the message I would give you all. Work like do what makes you happy, what you deserve, and who treats you right. And time is right, like so they are saying like we will come back together when the time is right. So there is this hope of having this connection, coming back together and having a reunion. But yeah, so that's all I have for you guys. Take care, love you all, and I hope you enjoyed my reading of your person's feelings for you. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. I would love to do more. And take care, love yourself, and always keep shining. Bye, take care.